You know, it's been 10 years now since I first dragged a piano out and started playing on the street next to the river here in Petaluma. And in 2017, I was honored to be voted as Petaluma's Good Egg. And that same year, I was also honored by the mayor, who officially made September 15 Petaluma Pete Day going forward. And I feel humbled, and I feel grateful, and I feel the need to give back. It's no secret that our turning basin needs a lot of help. But the nice thing is that we have, first of all, a Chamber of Commerce that is stepping up and taking a leadership role, for which I thank them. So why don't you just settle back and come with me just for a minute to see how we're going to use live music and pianos on the street to help raise money to help clean up this turning basin. The time has come to help our beloved city of Petaluma clean up and fix up our Petaluma River turning basin, which has fallen deeply into disrepair. Don't get me wrong, while high-ranking officials much smarter than I are working with organizations like the Army Corps of Engineers and the Federal Emergency Management Agency for long overdue dredging of what has now been nicknamed Siltigan's Island, an awful pile of silt that is discouraging big-dollar yacht visitors, and making vital barge deliveries less profitable while deeply hurting Petaluma's economy, our economy. We also have the need to clean up where the land meets the water, to build a recreational boat rental float house for our families, to repair the iconic, historic Petaluma River trestle, and to ultimately build what has been dubbed a 360-degree downtown Petaluma River Promenade, all in an effort to put more heads in beds and more feet on the street by turning what is currently downtown Petaluma's worst eyesore liability into our best money-making asset. So the first thing we need to do is create community awareness about this downhill spiral before we can make any positive progress, because if we are not aware, we will not care. And the best way to create this awareness is through the employment and enjoyment of live music making, something everybody loves anyway. Therefore, with the ultimate goal of building a 360-degree downtown river promenade, we are going to kick off the initial awareness aspect of this campaign by capitalizing on what has become a wildly popular placing of vintage pianos all around town for our children and their parents to enjoy, all painted with a fresh Petaluma River theme by local high-profile artists like Elise Dernberger, the painter who creates your Cruisin' the Boulevard tribute to American Graffiti the Movie posters, and famous artist and muralist Ricky Watts, known for his incredible mural on our Phoenix Theater, along with other great artists to be announced, with each piano sponsored by a Petaluma area business. Sponsoring businesses will benefit from scheduled media press releases, scheduled social media posts, scheduled pedestrian painted piano tours, and scheduled live music events right along with this unique and unforgettable goodwill feet on the street exposure to local Petalumans and also to visiting tourists throughout the summer, culminating with Petaluma's first ever Bay Area Honky-tonk piano competition fundraiser on September 15, the same date that our Petaluma mayor formally proclaimed as Petaluma Pete Day, featuring incredible stride piano players like David Dodd and Michael McQuilkin, creator of the McQuilkin Family Music Hour, and other gifted Bay Area honky-tonk ragtimers to be announced. There's also going to be a honky-tonk piano competition category for our kids only to help support music education in our schools and the Petaluma Music Festival. This exciting live music-making competition will take place at the Carli Barn Save the Trestle performance stage in combination with The Block Petaluma Food Trucks and Beer Garden right across the driveway, with the ultimate goal of building a 360-degree downtown Petaluma River Promenade. If you want to learn how to be a sponsor, send an email message to this address.
Dance, dance, dance!